Bugatti has brought its latest one-of-one creation into the real world, unveiling the Destrier during Monterey Car Week in California. Following its digital introduction earlier in August, the car made its first public appearance at the Quail, a Motorsports Gathering, giving collectors and enthusiasts their first opportunity to see it in person. The Destrier is the third creation from Bugatti's highly exclusive Programme Solitaire. Rather than starting with a conventional road car, Bugatti used the technical foundation of the Bolide, one of the company's most extreme track-focused machines. From there, the designers transformed that aggressive platform into something far more elegant while preserving the dramatic proportions and aerodynamic character underneath. Before the public unveiling, the owner and family were given a private presentation at Maison BUGATTI in Pebble Beach. Bugatti executives and members of the team responsible for the project were also present, highlighting just how personal the development of a one-of-one car can become. The Destrier then became part of the Monterey Car Week experience, including a Bugatti Petit Tour along the California coastline toward Big Sur. Its biggest moment came at the Quail, where Mr. Rimac and Bugatti design director Frank Heyl introduced the car before it was displayed for guests and collectors. Programme Solitaire represents Bugatti's modern interpretation of traditional coach building. It goes beyond the company's already exclusive Sur Mesure personalization program by allowing customers to commission truly individual creations. Following the Brouillard and F.K.P. Hommage, the Destrier demonstrates just how far Bugatti is willing to go when engineering design and a customer's personal vision come together.